Today, I'm going to show you how you can use a hidden feature in Affinity's Artistic Text tool. So let's get started. Affinity allows you to paste an object directly inside artistic text and treat it just like a normal letter or glyph. To begin, create some text using the Artistic Text tool. Once your text is ready, add a shape. This can be any shape, but for this example, an arrow works really well as a bold call to action. Adjust the arrow's size, make it longer if needed, and set its color, such as black for better visibility. After that, select the shape and cut it using the Cut command from the Edit menu. Now select the artistic text layer, place the text cursor where you want the shape to appear, either at the beginning or the end, and paste the shape. You'll notice that the object is now inside the artistic text layer, which you can confirm from the Layers panel. While you cannot freely move the shape like a normal object, you can resize it and still modify all of its properties, such as fill and stroke. The shape behaves like a character, meaning you can edit the text and use arrow keys to navigate to it. From the Character panel, you can adjust settings like baseline shift to move the shape up or down and use kerning to control the spacing between the shape and nearby letters. The best part is that if you change the text itself, the pasted shape automatically adjusts its position to fit the new text layout. This is a powerful and often overlooked feature that can be extremely useful for creative designs. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.